Well, when I had the vision really come to life to start this company, it was very clear the three things that I was supposed to do. One is to educate. Really, I'm the girl that loves leadership books. I'm going to take a Stephen Covey book to the pool or to the beach. And I just didn't realize that most people are not that into being educated on leadership. So I get to have the opportunity to read these books, synthesize these books, and really blend those messages into really small nuggets that people that wouldn't normally take the time to perhaps read these books or see these authors in person or read the research that they're doing, I can educate them on those things and really make it relevant for them, whatever industry they're in. So that's my first thing, is really educating. At the heart of who I am, I'm a teacher, and I've always known I would be a teacher. Connecting, I am a huge connector of people. One of the first books I ever got in high school was actually middle school, called Dig Your Well Before You're Thirsty by Harvey Mackay, and it's a networking book. I would have never known in 8th grade that book would play such an important and relevant role in my life, but I grew up not with a huge network of folks in my family, and in my professional career. So really, when I started at the Convention Bureau and I've had all of these experiences in my life, I've just learned to connect people, and I've grown my career and my company and my relationships through the knowledge I gained in that book. So I really want to educate and connect people on how they can be connected to other industries, other organizations, that will help them attain their goal of being a leader in whatever organization they're in. And then lastly, that leads to inspire. I don't think that you can teach inspiration. You have to really be inspiring. So I hope that my story of how I grew up, the education that I've attained, the people that I've met, the experiences I've had, on some level will inspire people to find their path. Be that through education or speaking or careers, no matter what it is they do, that I hope that they will find my story inspiring and be inspired to capture the best of who they are.